All right, guys. We are already here. All right, we are back. All right, good morning, bye. GP, no? GP, guys, GP. So we are back here sa Phoenix Touch Auto Detailing. Hey, morning, Willie?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, good morning. So meron silang Kia dito, meron ding Nissan pickup ongoing. So medyo busy sila ngayon, pero one day overnight lang yun, no? Yung ano, one day and then overnight para mag-cure yung ceramic coating. Ito si Sir Willie at saka si JP. Iiwan natin yung unit natin dito. Ito medyo medyo marumi kasi maulan lately. Pero ito guys, iiwan natin to for the ceramic coating. And then since hindi kami nakahanap ng pang touch up, so iiwan na lang namin yung may mga konting mga na chip off. Pero based on their evaluation, okay naman. So, again, located ang Phoenix Touch Auto Detailing in front, Rian Hotel and Suites. So, very accessible and they can fit 3 cars. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Iiwan natin yung unit natin. They already have the checklist sa first visit namin. And then, this is totally ceramic coating lang. Kasali yung package. Bali yung package na, ano yung package, sir? Ceramic coating ng paint, glass coat, removal ng mga watermarks, tapos mugs na coating. Alright, so, yung mga lights pala, kasali ito. Mga garnish. Ito, mga chromes niya. Bali, lahat talaga na nasa labas, kasali. So, ayan. Let's leave the unit here and then babalikan ko by tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Pwede siguro mga lunch break? Pwede na? So, ayan. So, I'll see you in a while or tomorrow para sa update and eto, titignan natin. Sabi nila mas kikintab pa daw. Kasi syempre may coating na. So, ayan guys, good afternoon. So, we are back here sa Phoenix Touch Auto Detailing. And here is my unit guys, oh. Tignan nyo yan. Alright. Ang kintab. So, natapos na sila sa pag-ceramic coating. And, wow. Itatouch ko. Yan. So, meron talagang mafe-feel na added layer. Ang ganda na guys. Paint corrected kasi merong part dito na may smudges. And then in here, wow. And also, the mugs coated. I can feel it. So ayan. Ito siya ngayon. Very nice. Tignan nyo yan guys, oh. Yung reflection. And also, included ito. Nalagyan to ng coating. Ayan. Di na natin patatagalin because I need to go. Eto guys, I just had my car or my unit ceramic coated. So, ang ginamit nila na technology is eto. Yan. Nasiol. Hindi siya basta-basta. European brand, European standard, European quality. Same as my unit. Medyo may pagka-European. So, ayan. I am so happy. Tapos na. And ito na siya, guys. So, ayan, oh. Wow. Ito, included ito sa my coating, so I can feel it na meron. Ito rin sa harap. Ayan. Alright. So, ayan guys, hindi ko na papatagalin and I need to go. So, kakausapin muna natin si JP. Si JP, isa sa mga gumawa nito kasi si Willie is nag-rescue sa Bohol. Oh, grabe. Marami silang customer guys. So, eto, recommended shop, Phoenix Touch Auto Detailing. And very fast kasi one day and isang overnight para mag-cure. So, very good yung weather ngayon kasi mainit para mas mag-cure pa talaga. So, unsa may akong mga kuano na ni? Di pa ni pwede i-car wash, no?
After 7 days. Oh.
After 7 days, no car wash, trapo-trapo lang or di pod?
Kuan, kung mawala na sa trapo, diya kung mabugan ay di lang sa trapuhan.
Okay, sige. So, as much as possible kanang di man po mo pilit ang abugan ni kayo, no? Kay naka-coated naman. Alright, so that's it. By the way, their package for my sedan is 8,999. So they have the promo. Discounted yan. So ayan, very affordable and I am happy na ceramic coated na yung unit ko. So again, thank you for watching. It's your Ingeniero Chopper. God bless, stay safe, drive safe. And also guys, part of their package is ito. Engine detailing. Wow. Yung mga kasulok-sulukan, malinis. So ito guys, sa 8,999 na package, kasali ang engine detailing, and headlights, the mugs, the windshields or the glass, and also the backlights. Ayan, ceramic coated lahat. Alright, at kasali na rin yung interior, nilinisan nila. And by the way guys, included sa package nila is yung maintenance, free maintenance sa within 5 years. So, every magta-turn ng 1 year, babalik dito para i-maintenance. So, sulit na yung package, guys. Alright? So, avail now.